Good morning, YouTubers. It's Jay the Tinker. Here I am hoping to expand upon that project I just started last week. As you all know, it was a box. All right, now that box just measures 17 inches high. All right, it's only 12 inches deep and it can fit on your counter space. All right, but I'm here to show you that you can put a structure around it to provide additional bottle storage, as well as the location of where it could go, whether it be your living room or your dining room. Now, I started this channel as just a humble guy, knowing that anybody can make these projects. I use my imagination for the creation. So I'm here to tell you, I enjoy the comments. I enjoy the feedback. So please share with me, like, subscribe to this channel. All right, I hope everybody has a beautiful day. Now keep in mind, I want to do these projects in less than 2 hours. So feel free to share with me my next project. I'll be sure to put my own spin on it, and I hope you all have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching.
Well, that wraps up the first project, part 2. I appreciate everyone watching and look forward to the next project. Remember that it is your imagination for that next creation. Please feel free to leave a comment below, and I look forward to posting again next Tuesday. If you have any suggestions for my next project, place in the section below. I think I have this week's project already brewing within my imagination, and I can't wait to start building it. Also, for those of you wanting to see the tools I use, I left a link to my Amazon list that you can find them in the description below. As always, have a wonderful week and happy DIYing.